Hey everybody, this is Texas Danny. Again, that's Texas Danny coming to you from Friday, May the 22nd, 2026. Again, that's Friday, May the 22nd, 2026. That date is important to note for the information on the Mandela effect. I have come to a conclusion based on observations of Earth changes where we crossed essentially an informational Rubicon of the information possibilities. This information is for all of the, let us say, self-described quantum jumpers from the quantum effect, are also known as the Mandela effect. There is a conclusion on information observed from Earth changes, from primarily the observations of Google Earth, looking at those various map changes. For example, just one is the very recent changes to Greenland and the changing mass of the ice there, and the position that the Earth is in on geographical representations. This is the information that we have, what is basically a grand exploration of the Mandela effect and its positions of information demonstrations. As you all know, part of the Mandela effect is the changes in demonstrations of, for example, symbols, our information of past events, our information of logos from cars and so forth like that. We seem to be in a position of quantum mapping. I repeat, quantum mapping of the Mandela effect, which is basically portal into reality has been created, where all the possible demonstrations of informational aspects are being given out now to all various points of our observational abilities as people who are quantum affected, watching the changes and so forth like that. The inevitable conclusion is that quantum mapping has occurred, that tunneling into space-time has in fact happened, and we are seeing the results of that effect on any of the various multi-Earth aspects from any possible source. For example, if a representation of ability to observe patterns is a sign of intelligence, a sign of recognition of patterns. The display of informational differences to various people's various locations is a recognition of the quantum mapping aspect of the Mandela effect, the quantum effect. We are now in a transfer of physical reality, which is ongoing, and the fallout from this reality is laid bare now. It is clearly a quantum mapping event where all possible positions of space-time are revealed to the people who have the ability to open the portals for the informational displays and the various aspects of consciousness, which is able to observe those various displays and changes. We are in a quantum wave. We are in that process. This has been achieved. This is what's happening. We are seeing the results of a literal physical manifestation of the quantum mapping information in states of yes, no, and in between those two positions, yes, no, and both, right? That realization is changing all the physical manifestations that is possible with the quantum effect. Uh, this is a destabilization of the coherent matrix. And we are witnessing that literally. Those who are quantum affected, Mandela affected, are who are in aspects of watching these various changes, are watching the dismantling of the matrix and the application and the changes of physical reality in that matrix. That is what is happening. Therefore, anything is possible now. Anything. That is why we have an open variation of an extreme on the quantum effect in the matrix. This is literally something that can change continuously from now on. Also, I would like to publicly thank Richard from Florida. Richard from Florida, who I received his help recently in this last couple of months, May and April, during because of the situation that I faced, and I believe it was part of the possible coherent programming of possibilities that I experienced as an individual in the matrix of the quantum fluctuations. I had to kind of spend some involuntarily time homeless, and I was able to obtain a kind of a residence temporarily through Richard's help from Florida. Richard says surname Spider-Man. Richard surname has helped me out here in Texas, but the situation that we have with the Mandela effect is a demonstration of quantum mapping. The knowledge of all possible reality states is being unfolded. And since that is an occurrence, the sequencing of any kind of possible manifestations is now wide open, utterly wide open for observations for those who are quantum affected. Again, this is Texas Danny coming from Texas. If you are able to observe and see quantum changes, please relate those experiences to me, if you will, voluntarily, because I believe that is what is now absolutely which has happened, is no less than a super observational awareness of the multiple matrix demonstrations that are possible because of the Mandela effect. And we are in a quantum wave flux. We are going to see any and all possibilities now in the quantum physical realm, as the realm we all inhabited. No matter where in the multiverse, we are subject to it. So we will possibly witness all possible mapping sequence available. This is a alert for those who are quantum affected. This is what is happening now, is the demonstration of the quantum mapping effects are being laid bare, and you are witnessing that because of your change in the matrix with the quantum effect of Mandela effect. Please understand what this means. This literally means creation is unfolding in all possible aspects, and you're witnessing it. Texas Danny out.